This is a short video of the doctor's office on Ryan Road. All three furnaces just happen to kick on. This one's newer, this one's older. You can see the steam coming off of it, I think. To show that it's working. The exhaust. And then that one over there is working too. There's two on this roof and one on that one. You can see it going. Two are old and one is newer. I'll have to look up the serial number to see how old it is exactly. But right now I'm guessing it. This might be a 2020. I think they may have put it in this year. These serial numbers tell you, so 07, that might be July of 20. I'll have to look it up though for Bryant. This roof is about, I'm going to say this roof is about 15 to 20 years old. It's not in terrible condition, but it's starting to show some signs of wear and tear. You start to get these cracks in the flat part, and this can be recoated with a sealant like a tar type product, but see, these start to crack open the seams and they start to leak a little water. See, that one just went off. So this is a combination unit. This is a furnace and an air conditioner. Commercial rooftop units is what I typically call them. There's a couple shingles missing here and there on here, but you get a few more years out of this roof, but it is old. I think there's one missing. Little piece of one missing here. The wind probably got a hold of it and flipped it up. Got a little crack in here, a little piece missing. Like I said, wear and tear. Over here. One missing here. They put some tar on it because there was a nail showing there. There's a little loose one up there. Loose shingle here. This roof's about the same age as the other one. I think this was all put on at once. All this roof was done at once. This is an older one, like the older one over there. These might be a 02, which would make them 18 years old. And that puts them, in the old range or marginal range for one of my reports. I typically, stuff that's old but works, I call marginal in my reports. Little rust. These are the scuppers or drain holes. That's a vent for the plumbing. This will all be covered with snow tomorrow. All the capping materials in good shape. Parking lot's not bad. Well, it's got cracks in it. There's just one area that's uneven, cracked and uneven, so it's potentially a trip hazard. That's over there, in that driveway area. This might be a little bit uneven over in here too. A few pieces have been replaced. See cracks down there. The stripes need to be repainted on the lot, and the handicap parking needs to be repainted. see there's a big section was replaced over there. On the side, some of the shingles are hanging loose on the vertical surfaces. You know, it's not a great idea to put those shingles on there like that, because that's what they do. They start hanging out like that. They don't lay down flat. And the wind can get a hold of them and rip them off, but those have been there for probably, 15 to 20 years is how old this roof is. So when I redid this roof, I would do that in a different material. I would use a metal like what's on that building over there, just in that vertical portion. It looks nicer and it won't do that. So that's about it on the roof. Like I say, this will all be covered in snow tomorrow. That's it.